So for our third question, we have, what forms should I be filling out quarterly and yearly?
Okay, so let's see, let me do the yearly and I'll kind of work backward. So the yearly, I'll name the forms. They're all complicated. I think you should get help personally, but just so you know the names of them. So like the businesses income and expenses report, it's called Schedule C. So if you say, are you a Schedule C taxpayer? A lot of accountants will use that term. Are you a Schedule C taxpayer? Whether you're a single member LLC or a sole proprietor, your income and expenses report on Schedule C. And it literally lists, here's your gross income, and then there's all these expense categories, and you come down to your net profit, which is what you're taxed on. So that's that one. The other one is Schedule SE, self-employment. So that extra Social Security and Medicare taxes is calculated on that form SE, which makes sense, SE. 8829, if you happen to take a home office deduction, that's the form for that. Okay, so those are the three that are big ones in your main tax return that you're going to hear about. The other one that you've probably heard about is 1040-ES, which is your estimated taxes. And that's that withholding that if you don't have anywhere to withhold from and you have to pay it in yourself, you pay it in. It's called estimated taxes.
Okay.
I actually think it's nicer to pay it in online through the IRS website because the IRS has 11 million pieces of unopened mail at the current time. So I don't think you should be sending them anything. I think you should just be paying through their secure website. But if you hear the term estimated taxes, there's vouchers that people have used in the past. That's what that is, estimates. And then the two forms that you need to think about like kind of upfront in your business, one's called a W-9. And that is, you will probably be asked to complete it, and you're going to want to ask your subcontractors to complete it for you.
Okay.
And what it is collecting people's name, address, social security number, because anyone that either pays you or you pay more than $600, you're going to need to issue a form to report that. So you will be looking for that from people that pay you more than that. And if you pay a subcontractor more than that, then you have to issue that out to them. And you need that Social Security information up front because chasing them down later never works.
Absolutely.
And the IRS won't let you deduct it as a business owner unless you submit that form.
Okay.
It's kind of their way of catching that cash that wasn't reported. So they kind of put the onus on you. You can't deduct it unless you give them a way to track the other side of it.
Oh,
so
okay.
Those are the biggest ones you're going to see.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for answering those questions. That's an amazing, past 10 minutes of all this incredible information that'll help all entrepreneurs watching this video.